Okay, see Lindelof videos. Consecutive integers problems. You're going to see this honestly at all levels of algebra. This is actually from a specific topic, which is number theory. And one of my subscribers, Marcella Guzman, sent me this question. I'm hoping that I'm getting this produced and sent out to you early enough that it can be of some help. So here we go, Marcella. The problem that she gave was that twice the greater of two consecutive, so twice the greater of two consecutive odd numbers is 13 less than 3 times the lesser number. Golly, I mean that's a ton to get my head wrapped around. However, there are some basic things with consecutive numbers. One is that I always let x equal the smaller of the two of the numbers. So in this case, smaller odd number. So this is the smaller odd number. This is the smaller. And then I'm going to start building the equation. The equation says that it's 2 times the greater of two consecutive numbers. So if I take an odd number and I add 1 to it, I get an even number. So I have to be careful here. So if I'm trying to get from odd to odd, I have to add 2. So I'm going to add 2 here, right? As opposed to if you're just trying to find consecutive numbers. We want consecutive odd. So 2x, so 2 times the quantity, x plus 2 is equal to 3 times the lesser, but it's 13 less than that. So there's where I get that number. Okay. From here, Marcella, the algebra becomes really straightforward. I'm going to go ahead and grind through it a little bit, but I'm not going to prove it at the end, I don't think, just for the sake of time. So I'm going to distribute this 2 over the term x plus 2 here, which gives us 2x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 13. Just going to keep doing my algebra here. I think I'm going to do it this way, add 13 to both sides, add 13, and we get 2x plus 17 is equal to 3x. We're almost there, right? Got to gather the x's on one side, so I'm going to take 2 x's from here and 2 x's from here, write the additive property of addition. In algebra this is a demonstration of what we just did here. We get 17 is equal to 3x's minus 2x's, which is just x. So x is the smaller. We did that before we started. So if 17 is the smaller, then 17 plus 2, right, comes from here. 17 plus 2 is the larger, is 19. So our two consecutive integers that satisfy this problem are 17 and 19. How would you prove that out? You would prove that out by putting the x value back into here. I'm not going to do that. But if you set it up, the equation does line up, and I think you get like 38 equals 38, but that's proof. So here is our solution, and I hope this strategy actually helps you with other problems. These problems all look alike. It's similar with just some small things left and right. So I hope this is helpful. If you have questions or comments, as always, let me know. You know I get back to you as much as possible. Also, if you haven't already subscribed, would you please subscribe, and I'll talk to you later.